What's up, everybody? Ali Flores here with OrlandoVacation.com. And if you're seeing me right now, it means that you enjoy watching videos about how to make your Orlando vacation better. What are we talking about today? We're going to talk about how to rent a wheelchair or scooter at Disney World. Here is everything you need to know about wheelchair rentals at Disney World. Before we get into that, how about you go ahead and hit that icon that says subscribe or the bell icon. You don't want both of them. Hit them both so you get notified when these videos pop up. Here we go. For guests who require assistance, rentals are available in the theme and water parks and Disney Springs. Usually you can rent them in guest services towards the front of the parks. Before you go, you can also contact Disney's Disability Services and we will add the information below. The price for a wheelchair is the same for in-park wheelchair rentals and Disney Springs at $12. However, at the water parks and Disney Springs, they require a refundable $100 deposit. For daily rentals, they are transferable between all locations, so you just pay once for the entire day. Now, for the length of stay rentals, they are also transferable between Disney theme parks only and can be prepaid for the whole stay. Call ahead to check availability during peak times. However, they are first come, first serve. The wheelchairs cannot leave the Disney property where you rented it and can be returned to the rental counter. If you are going from park to park, you can show your receipt to get another chair at the next park. Guests need to be 18 years of age to rent a wheelchair with a photo ID. Wheelchairs are not made to hold more than one person. They should not be left in hallways or hotel corridors unattended. And of course, you are welcome to bring and use your own wheelchair throughout Disney World. You can also rent electronic conveyance vehicles or ECVs. Disney has a designated rental company for wheelchairs, strollers, and ECVs. You can contact them to coordinate deliveries and pickups of rentals at the hotels. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.